Okay, check this out. This is the MagBak Keytag, and it's essentially a key organizer that holds an AirTag. Pretty sick, right? It gets even cooler. This thing is made out of a single piece of aircraft-grade aluminum, holds 4 to 6 keys, and even has a built-in bottle opener. I know. I'll leave a link in the description as usual. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing really quick. Oh, by the way, the folks at MagBak did send me this key tag to check out, but everything that I say in this video are my own thoughts and opinions. Moving on, you get the key tag itself, a flexible keyring, and 2 washers. Personally, I carry 3 keys, and the minimum you can carry is 4, so you can already tell where this is going. Yeah. With 4 keys, however, this thing works great. It's easy to deploy with one hand, and the design makes it very comfortable to hold and grip. I personally thought it would be heavier, but it's actually a good weight with keys and an AirTag in it. You usually don't want an EDC item to be too heavy anyways. The blanks that I'm currently using are Quickset KW1s that you can compare for reference, and as you can see, there is still a little bit of extra space and clearance for keys that are a little bit larger. Let's talk about the design. I personally like how minimal this thing is, and it doesn't add too much bulk compared to other key organizers while it's in your pocket. The anodized finish feels amazing, while also giving the product a matte and premium look. Deploying and concealing the keys is a very easy and smooth operation, and so is fanning them out to get to a particular key that you want. The keyring hole is large enough to fit your standard size keyrings if you don't want to use the included one, and it honestly doesn't feel obtrusive when using it daily or when in your pocket, despite how much it seems to protrude out. It's finished very well, there are no sharp edges, so no need to fear if this thing will cut you in any way. Something that I've noticed that can get annoying for some people is that it rattles if you shake it aggressively. That's due to the AirTag shifting in its little pocket. In real-world testing, however, aka carrying it in my pocket, it's not really a problem. If I'm jumping up and down, then you'd be able to hear it slightly, but not much. Regular walking, running, going up and down stairs is no problem, and you won't hear a thing. Honestly, it's just a nitpick, but something that I should mention nonetheless. If you ever wanted to remove the AirTag to replace the battery, you can use something like a SIM ejection tool to poke it out of there. There's not much else to this key organizer. Overall, this thing is great. It's a well thought out piece of gear, very high quality, and super durable. Having your keys and an AirTag in one neat little organizer makes it feel like you have one less thing on your keychain, essentially killing 2 birds with 1 stone. If you're looking for a sleek, minimal organizer that effectively gets rid of the dangling AirTag from your keychain, I highly recommend it. That was my review of the MagBak Keytag. If you want more, check out this video on another EDC item, the Exter aluminum card holder. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.